What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm the Magic Card Man, and if you're new here, what's up, guys? Welcome. And real quick, if you're new and you want a free shout out, all you gotta do is subscribe, like this video, and comment done down below to be entered in a shout out. I love you guys so much, and let's get into the tutorial. So we're going to be learning this trick right here. This side is red, but this side is blue. But if you just give it a magical wave, it actually turns into the queen, and now this side is red. How cool and crazy is that? So what you need is any deck of cards. You need a deck that is like blue or any other color, and then one card on the bottom of the deck that is the opposite color, like red, or if you have a white and black deck, you can do that too. So the red card is on the bottom of the deck, and then the blue card or whatever color card you have of the deck is on top. And what you want to do is hold the cards just like this. So when you grab it, have these two fingers right here holding the cards, holding the deck, and then have these three fingers on the side just like this. And what you want to do is kind of have a good grip with your pinky, but don't hold it too tight right here, but you want to hold it real tight up here, because with the next move you might accidentally drop it. So whenever you show the blue card and then show the red card and kind of bring it down just a little bit to show it, what you want to do is use your pinky and clip the card just like this. And this takes some practice, so don't worry, you can do it. So pinky, kind of just like, you know, move it and then like hold it just like this. And so from this angle it looks like this, but from here it looks like this. And so whenever you go to change it and put it down, what you're doing is putting the card right on your palm just like this and pushing it back to the bottom of the deck and then grabbing it. Push, grab, and then kind of square it off. So now the blue card that was right here is right here on the top of the red card. So really slow, it should look like this. Here's the blue card, here's the red card, and then reveal. It's different. And then really fast it should look like this. This is what it should look like. So on this side we have the blue card, but on this side we have a red card. And what's really weird about this red card is if you just give it a magical wave, you can actually... Wait, did you see that? Make it change into a whole brand new card. How cool is that? Every card in this deck is blue. How cool is that? But really the red card is right here. How cool is that, guys? If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button. And I love you guys so much. And always remember, you're awesome.